Alright guys, so I've got another little tip. As you can see down here, our cup link was very low to the ground due to the angle that we came into the site on. So to get the caravan all the way down onto the tow ball didn't really work. So what I did was, a handy little tip is I got the caravan chocks, the levelers, and I've actually backed up on them to get the tow ball higher, so I didn't have to disconnect all the jockey wheel and lower it down with the trolley jack. So handy little tip for everyone out there, back up on your blocks if you can't quite get to your cup link. So there you go, I've just backed off them. Look at the difference. Look how low that was to the ground. So yeah, it really helped me lift the back of the car up for hooking up.
So we just got to Yeppoon. We're gonna have some lunch, some salad sandwiches, and then we're going to go explore. So Josh has just taken the kids for a drive. I am going to do a little workout. You can see my mat. I use an app called Sweat. It's really, really good. You have to pay for it, but it does have a lot of options depending on your fitness level and things like that. So if you are traveling, highly recommend you go find yourself an app that you can relate to. You know, there's yoga ones in there, there's flexibility stretches, then there's fitness and strength and stuff as well. So yeah, go check that one out if you are looking for a new app.
Call her over. Wait. Wait till she gets in it, Riley. Stop, wait till she gets in it. Wait. Go, Chloe. Go. How come you're getting those? Tell me.
I like my bed, I like my teeth.
Because why?
Because I brush my teeth and I make my bed and I get to it.
Well done, buddy.
What have you found, Riley?
Found a big old thing over there.
Wow. Look like a real explorer.
Yeah, I just found it over there and I found this one over there.
It's amazing. Off to 5 Rocks today.
Byfield National Park.
How do you feel?
Good.
Are you excited?
Yeah, looking forward to let the tyres down and hit the sand, that's for sure. It's one of my favourite things to do, actually, driving on the beach.
It's meant to be a little bit difficult, so they say, in some areas.
Yeah. An overcast day, hopefully it's turned a few away and it's not too busy because it is a Sunday. We've got some company with us, which is good.
Yeah.
Some team members.
We've got Casey, who's a member of the team that we're
and her partner Trevor.
And her partner Trevor. Wave, Chloe Shark. No? Not in the mood. Tired. What about you, Riley? You going to give us a wave? Yeah. Let's do this. What are we doing?
The fun part.
Woohoo. Getting ready.
air down in the first air down bay. The road's pretty corrugated, so we thought we'd air down to 20, just get it done from the word go. So yeah, let the tyres down to 20, and then we've got a little bit of wiggle room if we get stuck and need to go lower on the sand. But there's been a little bit of rain around, but being a weekend, it could be busy. Probably will be busy, so it might be stirred up a little bit. So we'll see how we go in the soft stuff.
This is so exciting.
Yeah.
Here we go. Sand dunes ahead. Check tyre pressures.
And go to channel 40 on UHF and make sure no one else is coming down.
Boom. Lots of, a few cars in front of us. We are here on a Sunday, so it's a little bit busier, but all is good. The coolest?
This is the best.
Chloe loves it. I think Chloe's going to be in action, Jackson.
Oh shit. Look at the bumps here.
So Josh has gone down to see if he can help some people out that are a bit stuck. And I am trying to entertain the children. There's only so many snacks we can bring, seriously. So we're just going to a lookout now, because apparently there's a big lineup to go to the beach. So
Still gets us onto the beach, we just drop down a different way.
Yeah, so we'll just check out the scenery. Just found that there was actually people living up here.
This is Stockyard Community.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Did you see the hanging thongs up there?
Yeah.
Hanging thongs.
They got to drive this every time they want to go home or go and get supplies.
This
Pretty
is
cool
crazy.
though. Pretty cool.
We were just saying how good it is to have team members everywhere around Australia, because they can take us to all of these nice little places.
So a massive shout out to Casey and Trev for bringing us out today.
Oh, this looks cool.
Oh yeah. This is the reveal.
Woo! What you got to do to get to the good spots.
Yeah. Where we're going, I'd rather see that and gain a few scratches we could possibly buff out anyway.
Then miss out. That's why we bought this car.
This is G House. This is G House. This is G House. This is G House.
Hey guys, so we survived 5 rocks.
Woo!
Big Sandy, a lot of fun. So on this episode, as you would have seen, we went to 5 rocks, we went to 9 Mile Beach, and a couple of the lookouts along the way, which was super cool.
Yeppoon.
So what I would like to recommend to everybody who's going to go and try it, I was a bit nervous about heading there, but it's not that bad. It's capable to do as long as you've got a 4-wheel drive. Any sort of tyres are going to get you through the sand. Just make sure that you let them down. Tyre pressures are the key, as most of you guys probably already know. We dropped to 20. We did end up again at about 15. Only reason being that halfway up Big Sandy, there was a couple of cars in front of us that were bogged, so we actually stopped halfway. So we dropped to 15 just to get that momentum back up and get over Big Sandy. But yeah, definitely get out there and give it a go. There's generally lots of people around anyway, so if you do get into a bit of mischief, someone can always pull you out. But recovery gear, tire deflator, snatch strap, shackles, and obviously load rated recovery points if you're geared up that way. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for plenty more action in Queensland.
Hit subscribe.
I'm a freak on the mission, I'm a freak out.